Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you're looking for a gas siphon, then you have to check out this one from GasTapper. This gas siphon pump is so heavy duty and has come in so handy for our family. This set really came with everything we need for our siphoning. So from the hose to the pump to the spring that helps prevent kinking to even the flow stopper. This is a truly complete set. The hose is really heavy duty. It's rigid and durable and extremely strong. It doesn't collapse when you're using it and really stays in place to get a nice flow. The hand pump itself too really helps to make that pumping and siphoning so much easier too. Now what we like about this is the hose is long enough that we were able to cut it to what we needed. We are able to siphon using the shaker end and also the hand pump, both with ease. This siphon really allows us to either fill up the tank or empty the tank in just a few minutes. It makes it so much easier than having to mess around with those big and heavy gas cans. Really can't stress enough just how impressed we've been with the quality of this gas siphon. From the durability and thickness of the hose to the hand pump and all the accessories included, we were extremely impressed at just how well made it was. It's great because this siphon can be used to easily fill up our cars from the gas cans, but we can also use it when it's time to winterize equipment too. No matter what you need, this siphon allows you to easily and efficiently transport the fuel from one container to the next. So if you're looking for a heavy duty, reliable, and quality gas siphon, I would definitely check out this one from GasTapper. But that's just my point of view.